Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 23, how to improve a communication skill with the English language. And Day 23 to my life learning as well a journey. For example, I am completed my BSc chemistry and with long journey to be a resign of my job. But little bit in the start my coaching center and the other one to be honestly I speak, not every one person to satisfy for your life, and at the time similarly as well, girls. So literally, you are to choose a right way, right path, and right destination. Why? Because you are not properly choose a destination. That's why you are to wrong destinations choose, and your goal is the wrong, and your life is destroy. Is finally. But you are to write your dream in your one page. You are write your other one side of your strength and weakness, and you are literally choose of the only for 1% in your life to avoid for sexual relationships and ahead. The journey of the revolution, a new beginning of the self satisfaction. But are you not properly feel a self satisfaction after you are to ahead a different path, but you are not ahead a different path. Why? Because one break your emotion and bounce back definitely 100%. Why? Because as men person are to not cover up your emotion, but one day bounce back definitely, and that time break the every rules of the earth. That is the confidence, bounce back confidence, and not be I am as my body language comment, but at the time I say my personal life I do enjoy, and everyone have two different life of different living a style, but at the time I am satisfied of your my life. Thank you so much. Day 23 I change of my new revolution, my life journey. Thank you so much, dear.